I'm going to show you where to find the Do Not Disturb menu on Android, how to control and customize it, and we're going to go over this on both a Samsung Galaxy and a Google Pixel phone since the two handle Do Not Disturb a bit differently. Let's look at the Galaxy phone first. The easiest way to get to the Do Not Disturb button is through your quick settings. Swipe down from the top right corner and you'll see either a few buttons or a lot of buttons. If you only see a few, swipe down again and you'll see all the quick settings buttons. Here, you'll see Do Not Disturb usually among these buttons here in the middle. Tap it to turn it on, tap again to turn it off. If you don't see the button, you can tap the pencil icon up top to edit your settings and add any button that isn't already included. Look for the available buttons on the bottom and tap the ones you'd like to add to your settings panel. Mine is already in there, but if I remove it from my quick settings, you'll see how it appears in the list of available buttons. So, follow those steps and add the button if it's missing. You can also find Do Not Disturb in your main settings. I'll scroll down to Notifications, and there you'll see a menu for the Do Not Disturb mode. You can toggle it on from here, and you can also customize things like how long it'll stay on and which contacts and apps, if any, are still allowed to ping your phone while Do Not Disturb is enabled. If you're on a Google Pixel or another phone using stock Android, they like to hide this under the modes. So, to get started, we'll swipe down from the top right corner to view our quick settings, and here you'll see a toggle for Modes. When I tap the Modes button, I can choose between different modes for my phone, one of which is Do Not Disturb. I can choose that and turn it on from here. If you use the modes frequently, you'll see how tapping the part of the button where the text is will bring up the menu with all the different modes. But if you tap the part that has the little icon, it skips the menu and simply toggles the most recently used mode on and off. That way, you don't always have to go through the full menu of modes. And just like on a Galaxy phone, you can also do this in the main settings on a Pixel. We'll go to Settings and Modes, and all the modes are listed here. Choose any mode and you can turn them on and off, as well as customize the mode. And there you have it. Click that like button if this helped, share this video with a friend, and subscribe for more easy guides like this. Thanks all, until next time.